Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch 𝐂𝐟𝐫𝐞𝐧 Basketball League on 𝐂𝐿AGAN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
The place, the players, and the passion. This is your front row seat to sports action that never stops. I am 𝐂𝐟𝐫𝐿 and this is Sportify. Today, we are honored to have with us a remarkable individual who has greatly contributed to the development of Taekwondo, not only in the Prisaa Region 5, but also within the walls of Naga College Foundation. He is widely recognized as an outstanding Taekwondo coach in the Prisaa Region 5, known for his dedication, expertise, and commitment to nurturing young athletes. His passion for the sport has shaped many successful athletes and has made a significant impact in Prisaa Region 5. Aside from his work with Prisaa, he is one of the coaches for Taekwondo at Naga College Foundation, where he continues to inspire, guide, and train the next generation of Taekwondo champions. Leadership goes beyond technique. He instills discipline, perseverance, and a winning mindset, making him a true inspiration to all. Once again, he is an outstanding Taekwondo coach in the Prisaa Region 5, renowned for his unwavering dedication and remarkable ability to inspire his athletes. Despite facing numerous challenges, his passion and resilience drive him to create champions. Sportizens, let's take this opportunity to dive deeper into his journey, coaching techniques, and experiences as we get to know more about him. Please welcome Coach Efren Avistros Jr. Welcome, Coach. We are so excited to have you here today with us. So, Coach, how's your day going so far?
Good day to everyone. It's been a good day for me. It's a great opportunity once again to rise and start the day very good.
That's good to know, Coach. I'm very happy to know that. Now, Coach Efren, first of all, thank you for joining us today and congratulations. So to start, could you tell us about how you first got involved in Taekwondo and what inspired you to pursue coaching in the sport? Or are you a player before?
Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank for giving me this opportunity to share everything about Taekwondo for the school and for the region as well. But as what I'm always keep on saying to others I've started also as a player before. I started playing Taekwondo way back 1987. That was a long time ago, during my high school days. I'm a sports fan. I played a lot of sports, basketball, volleyball. But I know that I have the edge when it comes to physicality. So, and I've been to many martial arts before. I love watching movies. Actually, my lifelong idol is the great Bruce Lee, of course. I grew up watching movies of Jackie Chan, Sammo Hung, and every international martial arts superstars in the world. And I've enrolled in different martial arts classes, but I decided to pursue in Taekwondo. It's because I love the art, I love the way they fight, I love the way they compete, and I didn't see that the discipline and the intangible things will happen next. No. So I used to compete in Manila before. At first, of course, I didn't win any medals and anything, but later on, as I mature with my skills and with my through the guidance of my former coach, my former instructors, so I was developed to be a not so great player, but at least with a passing rate. And then I decided to coach. It's because my mother is a public school teacher. Then during the time when Taekwondo was included in the curriculum for sports in DepEd, my mother asked me if I can train some of her students to participate in lower meets. So I guess that's the time when I started to decide na I'll try to teach kids, impart my skills and my knowledge, which was given to me by my former instructors in Manila. So that's it. That is all started with.
I see. That's a very great story, actually,
Yeah.
Coach Bot. It's wonderful. And I'm just wondering, how was your experience during those moments wherein you started teaching those students or those children?
At first, it's really hard because during those days, there's no such thing as seminars or workshops being an instructor. But what I've done was I used to think about those things that my instructors, my former coaches are trying to instill in my mind. So at first, it's all about the skills development. It's all about the strength, the conditioning, and everything. But later on, attitude, the values that you're going to instill with these kids. At first, I'm having difficulty, but as time goes on, it becomes natural. Like that.
Wow. Well, Coach, I'm also wondering, since you were a player before, what were some of the challenges that you encountered whenever you had to attend a tournament? And you mentioned that you were not really earning that much medals back then.
Oh, well, during our time, of course, one of the most difficult part of being a player is just like me, we're not that rich, or we're not rich actually, but when it comes to finances, when it comes to I used to compete in Manila wearing an ordinary dobok. I don't have the special protections, I don't have special gears, but all I have is my determination. And then of course the challenges also are being based on what are the kind of opponents that you're going to compete against, and the motivation that's really very important for a player.
So, as they say, Coach Bot, that the greatest history starts with a really humble beginning.
Yeah.
So, I agree with that. But anyways, let's move on to being the coach of the Prisaa Region 5. So, Coach Bot, can you share your story becoming the outstanding coach of Taekwondo here in Region 5? Or saan siya nagsimula?
Okay. So, actually, as I've said, I'm a former player in Manila. Uh, I used to play in different kind of competitions because during our time, there are only 3 major competitions in the Philippines. So, it's the National Inter-School, it's the CPJ, and the National Championship. But, pagbalik ko sa Bicol for just to settle here for good. And then, as I've said, I started teaching my mother's students to participate in palaro. But since I've seen my own potentials of teaching these kids when it comes to Taekwondo, so I decided to look for schools actually that I can teach. No? So once in my coaching career, I've been with the other schools. I used to coach players from the University of Nueva Cáceres. I'm the first Taekwondo coach in UNC. Then after that, I went to University of St. Anthony and in 𝐂𝐏𝐿𝐷𝐉. And after that, that's the time when the Taekwondo community here in Bicol region noticed my coaching skills. And then right after University of St. Anthony decided to quit Prisaa. So here, my inay, Ulaso, Dr. Nelba Ulaso, decided to recruit me as part of the coaching staff of NCF or Naga College Foundation. That was way back year 2006. And then I started to recruit players, started to train here. And then on my very first year here in NCF, it was quite a huge impact considering that some of my players were elevated competing to the national collegiate or the national Prisaa.
Wow. Well, Coach Bot, I must say you have a lot of things to be proud about.
Of course.
That's very wonderful. You've managed to teach, let's say, 3 schools in this region, in Bicol region. Wow, that's wonderful. But anyways, Coach, as of now, you're also a coach in Taekwondo here in Naga College Foundation. So how did NCF help you to become a successful or an outstanding coach that you are right now?
Talking about the school, talking about the NCF, aside from the fact that I was recruited by Dr. Nelba Ulaso to become a coach of Taekwondo here, really the biggest factor that helps me a lot in developing Taekwondo players here in NCF or in the Naga College Foundation are the treatment being shown to me by the Villanuevas. Really, that is really amazing, very amazing. I started here with Dr. Carlo Villanueva, then followed by Ma'am Michi, and then here's Sir Mario. The family of the Villanuevas really treated me a lot, fairly, and that's the inspiration that I used to get in order to sacrifice, in order to inspire me in developing Taekwondo players in the school. So, and aside from that, it's all because I really wanted to help students or aspiring individuals to become a good Taekwondo player, using their skills in order for them to study. Something like that.
Thank you so much, Coach Bot. So now you've made a huge impact in Prisaa Region 5, specifically in Taekwondo. So what has been your proudest moment as a coach?
My proudest moment as a coach, actually, of course, every time they awarded me as best coach in different competitions. I've been a recipient of different awards for best coach. Last Prisaa in National Prisaa in Davao, I was awarded as a best coach also. Then some of my players were regarded or awarded as most valuable player. Just recently, I was recognized by the Prisaa Region 5 that I think it is displayed here, the Prisaa Sports Excellence Award. That's one of my proudest moments as a coach, because finally, maybe after 19 years of coaching or 20 years of coaching, finally I was recognized by the Prisaa Region 5 to be a recipient of this particular award. Considering also that most recipients of these awards are legends of Prisaa. First recipient, I think, is Dr. Carlo, the late Dr. Carlo. Second recipient, I think, was the late Macario Gontang of UNC. And of course, there is the living legend, Dr. Nelba Olaso, and recipient of this award. Also, Sir Bing Rosales, our current sports director. And look at that lineup. Then here I am, I will be receiving something like this. So this is one of my proudest moments as a coach. But you know, my proudest moment as a coach is every time I've seen some of my players not only excels in Taekwondo, receiving medals, gold medals after gold medals, but after I've seen them having their own families, having a good life, using Taekwondo skills in Taekwondo for studies and being professional and being a good citizen of our country. That's actually my proudest moment being a coach.
Wow. And actually, Coach, not to mention that most of your students before are actually, they're being offered to play for big universities here in the Philippines.
Yeah, actually I have, currently I have, I think, 3. Currently is currently enrolled in different schools in Manila, Ateneo, Lyceum, Arellano, and College of St. Benilde. College of St. Benilde. They were recruited in different competitions, and I can't hold them back. Okay, just stay in NCF. No. Okay, go on with your career. If there's bigger avenue for you, a greener pasture for you, that's okay lang.
Actually, I knew this information, Coach, because one of my friends, he used to play for UNC and NCF. I don't think if he became one of your students. Do you know Mr. Kel Bonos?
Yeah.
Yes. So now he's playing on a big school.
Yeah, in San Beda, actually. He was recruited for San Beda.
Which is really wonderful.
Yeah.
That's how I got to know Coach Bot over here. But anyways, in your experience, Coach, what is the most important quality a Taekwondo athlete should have, and how do you apply this quality in your athletes?
Well, at first, as what I keep on saying to them, I don't train players, I don't train students only on how to kick and to punch and to hurt other people. But actually, I train Taekwondo students for them to have a good personality. Personality development, I mean. So, the greatest, for me, the best asset that you can have in order to become a good Taekwondo player is you must have a superb determination. Discipline in yourself. That the talent, the raw talent is secondary. But, I mean, the determination to learn the art, the determination to abide with the policies, with my rules, that's the most important for me.
I see. Thank you so much, Coach Bot. Nakilala na natin ang outstanding coach sa larangan ng Taekwondo. Sa ating pagbabalik, mas kikilalanin pa natin si Coach Efren. Stay tuned for more only here on Sportify.
We invest in shaping the future of healthcare. Our investment in the state-of-the-art facilities and the latest equipment means our students gain hands-on experience with the current technology driving the healthcare industry forward. From immersive laboratories to AI-powered patient model simulators to innovative learning environments, our graduates are prepared to meet the challenges of modern healthcare. The Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, your premier leap to becoming a champion of healthcare.
We are back. And of course, we are still with the one and only Coach Efren, the master of motivation and excellence sa larangan ng Taekwondo, where he's not just about winning, he's about transforming you into the best version of yourself. And going back to our wonderful conversation here with Coach, actually, there is this conversation going on about Coach's nickname. So we have Coach Bobot. So bakit po you're being called Coach Bobot? Where did this nickname come from?
Actually, that is actually my nickname. I preferred to be called as Coach Bobot kasi medyo naaantik ang pag naririnig yung Efren. But of course, I'm proud of my true name. No? So, but I use my friends, Taekwondo community used to call me Coach Bobot.
I see. Speaking of first name, Coach Bot, where did your name come from? Do you have any idea? The term Efren.
Actually, that's my father's name. So I don't have a choice but to adopt it because when I was baptized, that's the name that they gave me.
All right then. So let's get back to our topic earlier about the Taekwondo field. So Coach Bot, I was wondering, what challenges have you faced as a coach and how do you overcome them?
Actually, yearly, year in, year out, challenges of every coach, for me personally as Taekwondo coach, the challenge is really the preparation of the athletes. The preparation of the athletes really. From the tryouts, from the recruitment, from the preparations of different competitions, for the tune-up games. No? So those are the struggles, no? Because you have to prepare really the athletes before going into the bigger events. No? As I call it, the official competitions that the school is into. So that's really the challenge, the preparation, specifically that our sport requires maintenance of the weight, the posture and everything, the physical conditioning. That's actually the challenge, the preparation of the athletes.
No, thank you so much, Coach. I agree with Coach Bot over here. It takes a lot of preparation, determination, and resilience to be able to compete to these kinds of leagues. So, Coach Bot, Prisaa has seen a lot of success in Taekwondo competitions. What do you think sets the athletes from Region 5 apart from others in the competition? Parang ano yung kakaiba here sa Bicol region na athletes?
Well, we live by the name of, or by the slogan of a Bicolano being an Oragon. Even though we use the term Oragon in different aspects, in different fields, it depends on you on how to use it, the Oragon. But basically, the term Oragon really stands for being tough, being very resilient, very determined, and everything. You know? But this was manifested by the fact that maybe that's why, because I was awarded by this kind of award, because during those years when Prisaa Region 5 struggles to earn medals in different sports, Dr. Olaso and Sir Joel Villanueva can testify, can justify it. Na during those years na Prisaa Region 5 is having difficulty earning a medal in National Prisaa. After the competition, there's a tally board and the national events. Then you can see Region 5, there are only 2 gold medals, 1 silver medal, 3 bronze. And it's all Taekwondo. I'm not that so proud about it, but the development of the sports really affects, no? But in such a way na maybe my consistency on producing medals for the region because after the awarding, they were one of the panel, especially Regional Director Edgar Balasta, Region 5 Prisaa President, explained to me the criteria why I was chosen to be the recipient of this award. The longevity of your program, the consistency, the performance, and everything. So even during those years na they've been struggling to have a medal, but still we can produce medal even in our own special way. So, yeah.
I see. And also, Coach, looking back, let's say during the 2019 COVID-19 pandemic, how were you able to cope with that specific situation, since it's been hard for almost all of us, not just for athletes, but also for the community as well, the gyms, or let's say the establishments are closed. So how were you able to cope with it, with your students or your athletes?
At first, of course, the entire world was being shocked by the pandemic. But you have to reset everything. Because of the social media, we have to stand by and we have to think about the different strategies for the students, for the players to be in constant communication with me. So I gave them different programs online, because the school, even though it is a pandemic period, they did not cut our honorarium as a coach. We were continue receiving it, and as well as the students, they continue receiving the benefits of being a student athlete. So what I've done was I keep on communicating with them through online, and I gave them different programs at home, workouts and everything. And actually, maski ako, ginawa ko yon for them. I became fit in that time. I started losing weight because of doing some healthy habits, eating a good food regimen, and because we realized that this pandemic really reset in the entire settings of the world. So when it comes to sports, when it comes to Taekwondo, I gave them programs online. We keep on communicating then. I monitored, did you do this, did you do that, and everything. Okay, lagot ka pag nagkita tayo personally if you don't do this, like that. Kasi my players knows me a lot. As I've told you, masungit ako sa mga players ko. It's not because masungit na in terms of for my own personal benefit, but they know exactly what is my intention. They know exactly what is my goal. I know they love me despite of being masungit. But that's the most important thing. I gave them challenges in life. I gave them not so comfortable, because if you will be used in being so comfortable in everything that you do, dapat may hardships pa rin talaga, the challenges pa rin. Pag sobrang komportable, that's a different thing. That's not a good thing for us.
I see. So most of your students, Coach, you really bring out the best out of them by bringing them out of their comfort zones.
Yeah.
But anyways, we have another topic over here. So Coach Bot, looking ahead, what are your future goals for both your athletes and the sport of Taekwondo in Naga College Foundation?
I cannot deny the fact that I've been with Taekwondo community more than half of my life. So there will come a time na I will be retiring soon, but not very soon. Actually, my dream, my personal dream of the NCF athletes, players, Taekwondo players in 𝐂𝐏𝐻𝐈𝅅 Foundation is I dream that I can produce national team members. National team members that will proudly represent that I am from Naga College Foundation. I've been part of the varsity program of the NCF for this year, for everything. So that's really one of my dreams. And of course, to serve the country using Taekwondo, producing medals for the country. But ultimately, my goal, my dream for these special athletes for me is for them to have a good life, a good family, living the best that they can using Taekwondo, be respectful, be a productive citizen of our community, and being a good example, a goodwill of the sport and the region. Not only the region, but in the entire Philippines as well. No? So that's really my best goal that I want to achieve. Because nowadays, some of my pioneer players are still intact. I mean, they keep on communicating with me. Some of them are very good professionals now. They're police officers, they're members of different organizations, they're doing well. Some of them are abroad, working abroad, and some of them are keep on communicating with me, na, sir, what happened to the team? How's the team? What can I do? What can I contribute? I think that's in exchange of the sacrifices that I have made for them, our being together in the competitions. Because as I've said, I want them to learn lifelong lessons, the values in life. For me, Taekwondo is not all about the skills, the competition, and how you hard to kick, the winning medals, but it's all about the values and the personality development that you can get out of this sport. That's really the most important for me.
So as Coach Bot mentioned earlier, you formed this kind of attachment with some of your players even before, since you've been in this field for a really long time.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really admirable, Coach Bot. But finally, before we wrap up, Coach, what message would you like to leave to your supporters and also to the people who inspire you?
Well, first, I would like to thank the Lord Almighty for giving me the opportunity to impart my knowledge and skills to different kinds of individuals. I really thank God. At my age, I can still impart my knowledge. And aside from that, I would like to thank also, of course, shout out to my assistant coaches. I don't have to forget that really, it's a mortal sin na makakalimutan ko sila for this interview, because I would like to thank the sacrifices also that are made by my assistant coaches, Coach Raul Uwas, Coach Eddie Madrigalejos. Eddie Madrigalejos is in charge for 𝐂𝐟𝐫𝐞𝐳, and Coach Raul Uwas is in charge for 𝐂𝐸𝐵𝐻. And then I would like also to thank teacher coach who've been sacrificing for my athletes also. Currently, I have Ma'am Jenny Cano, senior high school teacher, and with my former teacher coach here also, si Ma'am Venus Belmonte Atienza now. No, so I would like to thank them for the sacrifices with me, not only in competitions but as well as in personal life. No. And yes, of course, first of all, I would like to thank as I've said earlier, the Villanuevas. No? Really, thank you very much for giving me this treatment. No? It's not all about the very special treatment, but it's about how you treat me fairly. Thank you very much, my bosses. I started coaching here during the time of Dr. Carlo with Ma'am Michi, then followed by Sir Mario and Sir Joel Villanueva, of course. Kaibigan natin yan. Sila Sir Roger. No? And of course, my malaking utang na loob for the living legend of pillars of sports in Naga College Foundation, my inay, our inay, Dr. Nelba Olaso, for giving me the opportunity of coaching here in Naga College. Actually, siya may kasalanan. That's why I came here. You know? I was recruited way back 2006. No? So, of course, siyempre, for my family. They've been very supportive with what my intentions for Taekwondo. At first, they were hesitant because they know me exactly that I will not be, they were very hesitant with me to continue to pursue my career in coaching in Taekwondo because this is not business for me, I know that. But ultimately, later on, they've learned it's not all about the money, it's not all about the prestige, but it's about the passion and the dedication towards the sports. Because I believe if you respect, if you love the sport, if you really respect the sports, no matter what it takes, you're going to stick with it. No? So, to my supporters, if I have my supporters talaga, ang supporters ko kasi ngayon, nowadays, are the parents of my athletes. They are my #1 supporters. No? So, thank you for keeping your support, crossing your fingers every time we are in competition. So, including us in your prayers, including us in your vision for Taekwondo. Thank you very much for your kind appreciation and dedication to my team.
And I must say, Coach Bot, that your players are very lucky to have a coach like you who's very dedicated and very passionate towards what he does. So they're very lucky to have you, Coach Bot. So thank you so much, Coach Bot, for sharing your incredible insights, experiences, and passion for Taekwondo with us today. Your dedication to the sport, especially in nurturing young talent, both in Prisaa Region 5 and at Naga College Foundation, truly reflects the heart of what it means to be a coach. The impact you've made on your athletes is clear, and your commitment to excellence continues to inspire everyone around you. So it's coaches like Coach Bot over here who not only shape champions, but also teach valuable life lessons that extend far beyond the sports arena. We look forward to seeing more of your athletes rise to success and to the continued growth of our Taekwondo under your guidance. So thank you so much, Coach Bot, for joining us at the episode of Sportify today.
It's always a pleasure.
Thank you so much. The grind, the glory, and the guts. We live it, we breathe it, and we bring it to you every time. Ihahatid namin ang pinakamalalaki at bidang liga. Catch us every Saturday, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to our official Facebook page and YouTube channel, GNN TV 48 Naga, Bida ang Bicolano, and our official Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Keep pushing limits and keep chasing greatness. I am 𝐂𝐿𝐴 and this is Sportify.